Welcome back once again to the Olanta Public Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this book angel. And all you need for this is a paperback book and something to use for the head. I'm going to use a Christmas ornament. And if you like this craft and you want to try it yourself, if you come to the Atlanta branch of the Florence County system and tell us you want to try the Book Angel, we'll give you a paperback. What you want to do is you want to get a book. This one's about a little under 450 pages. And to start, you want to find the middle, which is about here. And then you want to take this half of it and find the middle of that, which is here. I already have it marked out. And this side, the middle is right here. So go ahead and take your two middle pieces and put them together like that. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and take 10 pages. The 10 pages before you get to your middle piece. So, alright, these are your 10 pages. So what you want to do, I'm going to start going from page 10 to page 1. So I'm going to do it backwards. And you'll see why once I start doing it. But what you want to do is you want to fold the bottom up to where it meets the spine, and you want to fold it again to where it meets the spine again, and you'll notice that the corner is peeking up over the book. And the reason you want that is once you do page number 9, you want to do it the same way. Fold it up from the bottom until it meets the spine. And then you want to fold this up, but you don't want it to quite come to the spine. You want the edges or the peaks that come up over the book end to stagger just like this. And these are gonna become the wings of your angel. Okay, and I've done the first 9 pages, and as you can see, they're like a staircase. They go downhill. But what you want to do when you come to your first page is fold it so it meets the spine. And you want to fold this part so that it just folds at the corner right there. It doesn't go up at all. It goes from that corner to the bottom corner. And this one is trickier than the others, so it might take some patience, but it'll get there. Alright, once you're finished with this part of the book, you want to go ahead and come over where you marked your other half and do 10 pages. And just like you did on the other side, you want to take it to the spine like this. Fold it again until it comes to the spine. And you're going to have your peak above the edge of the book. And you want to do it just like you did on the other side. Alright, now that we have both of the wing sections done, you can see a little better why I did it backwards, because when you don't do it backwards, you have to start here and then figure out how much space you need to put that one there, and then figure out that one. So I figured if you do it backwards, you can see how much space you need. And I went ahead and put clips on these to hold it together, because now what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to fold the rest of your pages the opposite way. So I'll start on this side. You can do the middle or the ends first. It doesn't really matter. It just depends on what you think is easier. So, okay, where we folded these coming up from the bottom, you want to fold the rest of them coming up from the top, or coming down from the top, and fold it to where it meets the spine. And then you just fold this to where it just meets the corner right there. You don't want it to go over on these. Just want it to be like that. And you want to fold every page like that. Alright, now that we've folded all of the pages in the book, now it's time to put the head on. Just using a Christmas ornament. And I'm gonna just put some hot glue around the base of the ornament where the hook goes in. And I'm gonna just hold it here until the glue takes a hold. There you go, you have your very own book angel. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this craft, and again, if you want to make it, just come to the Orlando branch of the Florence County system. Tell us you want to make a book angel, and we'll give you one of our for sale paperback books for free to make it.